Step 1. The instrumental. Perhaps you're friends with an up-and-coming producer who has instrumental tracks that wouldn't mind you using them. This is a great place to start. If not, go and search royalty-free instrumentals and whatever mood you like to experience: somber, happy, chill, etc. Step 2. Write what you hear. The first time you listen to the instrumental, don't write anything. The second and subsequent times you listen, write down ideas and themes that come to mind. Example: chill, somber, life, love. Step 3. Choose a theme. Choose a theme from Step 2. This is the theme you will use to write your beautiful song. Pro tip: choose an idea that you're familiar with. Writing is easier when you have something to say. Example: life, love, songwriting.